This is the expanded video that explains the prioritized critical task calendar report and how to navigate to it. Normally, you would review this report by either starting this report with the Workflow Navigator or selecting this report after you enter or edit data in the time log or run optimization simulation templates. I'm going to start with an overview of the prioritized critical task calendar report and will then walk through the navigation. So I'll just scroll down. The prioritized critical task calendar report contains the prioritized list of your incomplete tasks. See them here. The date on which to start each task. The recommended number of work hours to complete. And I will just scroll down to the second table. And for each task, we see the best practices, words of wisdom, and advice. I'm going to click on the Workflow tab now to start the navigation process. This navigation is the same as used by your internet browsers. For a shorter version of this tutorial, with only minimal explanations, select the Quick Start Critical Task Calendar video. The default approach is to hide all information messages on the screen by starting with No in the Select Message field. You'll see this choice on all Time to Money workflow screens. At any time, you can display all information messages, including the discussion of how to navigate through a workflow by selecting Yes. First, select from the pull-down menu the workflow which you wish to activate. All reports and alerts are found in the Run Simulation and Review Alerts and Reports choice. The description of your selected workflow is displayed below the selection so that you can be sure this is your desired workflow. If this is not your desired workflow, simply select another workflow from the pull-down menu. Confirm this is your desired workflow by selecting Yes, Activate Selected Module. Time to Money displays your selected workflow home screen in a new tab. Next, select the individual report you want to view by selecting a single choice from the pull-down menu. For this demo, I select Prioritized Critical Task Calendar. And I confirm that this is the desired report by selecting Yes, Activate Selected Module. Time to Money displays the selected report in a new tab. You can get a PDF copy of this report by clicking on the PDF button in the right-hand corner of the screen. Also, you can log out from Time to Money when you've completed your session by clicking on the Sign Out menu item in the upper right-hand corner of all Time to Money screens. Also, after reviewing this report, if you wish to continue this session, scroll up to the New tab and click on the return arrow to return to the selected workflow. In this demo, you would be returned to the Run Simulation and Review Alerts and Reports workflow, where you can select another report to view. There are 3 tables in the Prioritized Critical Task Calendar report displaying the prioritized results. Table number 1 provides an overall scenario identification. It indicates the number of task records in the report. It identifies the salesperson responsible, and it also identifies the Run Optimization Simulation scenario name and description. Table 2 provides the overall simulated prioritized critical task calendar. It identifies the client, the opportunity, the stage, and the name of each task. It identifies the overall task priority. It predicts when this task is predicted to start and when it is predicted to be completed. It predicts the percent completion estimated after the recommended hours are complete and the recommended number of work hours for this particular task starting on this particular date. And we'll just scroll down to the third and last table. Table 3 provides the words of wisdom advice for each task and stage. For each task and each stage, it's on the critical task calendar, from the ideal sales cycle template. This completes the description of the 3 results tables of this report. Also completes the expanded video that explains the prioritized critical task calendar report and how to navigate to it.